We have been fully entertained, fully educated, fully informed about the marvelous, the outstanding, the deep-rooted Ethiopian culture. Actually, in every event which we have been through since we arrived in this country on the 26th of February, up to now, every minute we learn more and more about the marvelous Ethiopian culture, and we have been always realized of how close Ethiopians and Sudanese in terms of culture, in terms of history, and in terms of future. In this short speech, I would like to underscore that this very nice meeting is actually blessed by Allah in the form of this rain, which is falling to us after a long absence.